All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-thru. Special shout-out to Ty. What's up, Ty?
How are you?
Good. Good to see you, Ty. All right, we're here with Carson as a live studio audience, and we're back into the math. It's going to be formatted correctly, I think. All right, I think this is going to be pretty short, Carson. So, we got to clean the shed, okay? Sunshine. Sunshine charges $50 for each service call plus $10 a window. So which one of those is my slope, Carson? Is it $10 per window, or is it the one-time fee of $50?
One-time fee of $50.
So it's $10 per window. And what does the 50 represent?
For them to come out to your house.
But algebraically, what does it represent? The y-intercept. Very good. And if I was a lonely man and I just wanted some company, how much would it cost me to get 0 windows cleaned and repaired? It would cost me $50, but at least I could have a friend. Okay? All right. Now, Painless, Officer Painless, what's their cost equation? So Carson, if I just wanted a friend, if I just wanted someone to come to my house and talk to me for a couple minutes, which company should I go with? I should go with Painless. It's a $25 visit. Okay? Got it? Now, which company would you recommend and why? Prepare an argument. Convince Carlos and Clarita. All right. Let's.
Depends on what you're getting done.
It does, so we're going to have to give a recommendation based on different circumstances. In order to know those circumstances better, we're going to go to Desmos, okay? So, the first equation was 10x plus 50, right? And the second equation? Now hold on, why aren't they showing up? Any idea?
Press enter.
Nope, that's not the reason. What's the y-intercepts? And that's why they're not showing up. You see them? So what we want to do for these is zoom way out. Zoom way out. Okay, and now let's slide this over and zoom in a little bit. So here you see our equations. Now, I wonder, let me pause this real quick. So it looks to me, Carson, that if you were to get 5 windows washed, both of them would cost $15. Okay? You see that?
So if I got 5 windows done, it would cost me $100.
$100? Did I say $15? I meant $100. Thank you, Carson. So if we are going to wash less than 5 windows, then I think we want the purple equation. And that was pains. If we wanted to wash more than 5 windows, then we would go with the green equation. Okay? But this is showing you that sometimes a graph isn't the best way. What if so I think what we do here is for y1, we put in that equation. Uh-oh. Okay? And then I think we want y equals. Is that what it wants? Nope. Okay, so look, here's what I did. I'm making a double table here. To show you how to do this, I'm going to go 15, and then 15, let's see. Come on. Okay, so I'll make another video to show you how to do this, but really what you should do is do this in your graphing calculator. If mine hadn't been stolen, I just would have used my graphing calculator. But we're going to use Desmos here, so this is a better way to compare these things. And as you can see, we were right, Carson. At 5 windows, they both equaled 100. But notice now, this one starts to be more expensive. So the recommendation I would write, back to the video, would be if you want less than 5 windows washed, then choose painless. If you want more than 5 windows washed, then choose sunshine. Okay?
But it doesn't matter on the system.
So now it wants us to figure out where the space and the startup costs are the same. So I had 6x plus 24y, and we're looking for where they're the same. So I'm using equals 360 now, okay? Do you follow that? And then the startup cost was 32x plus 80y equals 1280. I think what they want us to do here is possibly, let's see, maybe we want to solve this. Substitution would work, okay? We're going to have to do fractions, but we can handle that. We might be able to do elimination, but even this one I don't think is a good one to do elimination for. So I'm going to solve. I'm going to say 6x is 360 minus 24y. Do you follow where I got that from? I'm going to divide everything by 6, and what do we get? X is 60 minus 6y. Now the equal sign is a powerful thing. Okay? So anywhere I have an x in the next equation, I'm going to put in what x is equal to. Yes, it should be 4y. Thank you, Carson. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, I will have 32. Instead of x, what am I going to have there, Carson? Plus 24. So I've substituted it in. Okay, what's 32 times 60, Carson? And what's 32 times negative 4? Okay, now, do 1920 plus 24. Okay, subtract 1944 from both sides. You get negative 128y equals. Okay, next step. And you get y equals positive 12. Okay, well x, if you remember, x equals 60 minus 4y. We now know what y is, right? It's 12.375. So x equals 60 minus 4 times 12.375, and what do you get for that, Carson? So these are going to intersect at 10.5, comma 12.375. Notice, I don't think we could have found that point on a graph. So we had to use algebra to do that. Okay? Let's give it another crack. Feeding time and pampering time. 12x plus 20y equals 480. That's my feeding time. 16x. Oh, now I get it. Gosh, the guy that wrote this book is awesome. You know what we're going to do here? We're not going to do substitution. Watch this. We're going to do elimination. We're going to subtract the first equation from the second equation. We are allowed to do that, just so you know. Does 4 equal 2 times 2? It does. Does 8 equal 4 times 2? So that if you subtract them, what's 4 minus 8? And what is 4 minus 8? So it works. So that's just a fact of equation. So watch. What is 12 minus 16? You might be asking, why am I doing this? This is the reason. What's 20 minus 20? 0. And 480 minus 480? So this is an equation. What's being done to the x? It's being multiplied, right?
Yeah.
So you divide each side by -4, and you get x equals 0. How do we find y? Plug in 0 for x. You get 0 plus 20y equals 480. What's 480 divided by 20? So the answer is 0, 24. That is the substitution method. I guarantee you that's going to be on your homework. 12 minutes, not bad. It's good to have Carson back. Have a great day. Boom!